Hey Budding Business family, my name is Isabella. I am the owner of 2 six-figure earning online businesses, and today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can set up a 100% free $0 monthly website for your online business. And by free, I mean $0 monthly. I built my six-figure businesses using this website host, and I promise you don't have to pay $30 a month for Shopify if you're just getting started. This free website host can work for so many different types of businesses, such as dropshipping, regular e-commerce where you have inventory, your handmade products, etc. This is perfect for anybody that's just trying to sell something online. You don't want to dig yourself into a financial hole having to pay every single month for a website host when you're not even making money yet. And what's even better is that we can set this up in less than 10 minutes. So let me show you how. If you guys are new to my channel, not only do I show you guys how to get your website set up, but I show you guys how to market your product successfully without ever paying for ads and everything else that you possibly could need on my YouTube channel. I have an entire step-by-step playlist that you guys can watch here to help you guys jumpstart your online business. 100% course free. Never buy courses, you guys. Everything you ever need educational-wise is on YouTube. If you're ready to learn and get your website started, smash that like button down and below. It really helps to support my channel. And of course, hit that subscribe button as well. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to bigcartel.com and you're going to click sign up. Right now, I'm just going to create kind of just a random store for you guys, just to show you guys. We're going to pick the free plan. And if you ever want to upgrade in the future, their other plans are very affordable and still way cheaper than Shopify. So let's go ahead and click on the free one, sign up free. And it says it's free for as long as you want it to be free, which is awesome. So you're going to put in your email address, you're going to create a password, and you're going to give your shop a name. Just for our fake shop today, we're going to name this Meow Lip Gloss. So just for today's purposes, we're going to name our fake shop Meow Lip Gloss. And it already gives you a free domain. So yes, it has Big Cartel at the end of it, but I'll show you guys how you guys can get rid of that too. So let's go ahead and click sign up. So they give you a checklist. As soon as you first log in, they give you a checklist of what to do. So all of this information down here, we're going to just wait to do that. We're going to do the fun part first and actually create the website, which takes really 5 minutes to do. But one thing that I do want to show you guys is that you don't even have to put a credit card here. Like you don't have to put a card on file or anything like that, because this is not a free trial. It's completely free, $0 monthly for as long as you need. So let's go ahead, and you guys can see too, it's in maintenance mode. So we're going to leave it in maintenance mode since we're still working on it. So let's go ahead, and then we're going to just click on design so we can get our website ready to go for anybody that wants to view it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to themes. So you guys can see they give you so many different free themes that you guys can use. And they have a lot of really trendy ones too. But I personally love to use things that are simple. So we're going to find a simple theme to use for our shop. So let's just scroll down here, and you guys can see there's so many. So I really like the Nova theme because, like I said, it's just really simple. And whenever people click on your website, it just looks clean, and that's just what I prefer to do. So now that we have our theme picked out, we're going to go over to settings. And you guys can list all of your socials here once you guys create social media for your brand or website. And now we're at the top of this settings page, and we're going to go ahead and select a header image. So you guys can select or drop an image here. So we're going to click on that. So right here, I decided to place the logo for our shop. So this is what our logo is going to be for our shop. And if you guys want to learn how to make a logo for your shop to have this little cover image, I have tutorials on my YouTube channel. So I'll put that on the upper right-hand corner of the screen for you guys to click on if you guys want to learn about how to make a logo for your brand for free. You can also make logos and cool text header images on an app that's also free called Fonto. So I'll list that on the screen here for you guys. So let's go ahead and find a background image so our shop looks very professional and eye-catching. So what I always do is I just click this plus button, I go to Google. So I decided to look up a cloud background for our site. And sometimes because we don't want it to look too choppy, I'm probably going to just put repeating, and let's see what comes up. Perfect. So you guys can see we found a bunch of different images of clouds. So I'm going to try to pick one that will look aesthetic with our new shop. So I think this one's cute. So I'm going to go ahead and just click save as, and we're going to save that to our desktop. Then let's go back into our shop and we'll just click on this. All right, here's our cloud image that we found on Google for our background. And you guys can play around with this as well. And depending on what type of business you have, obviously this would vary. Or you guys can just put a plain color pink, plain color blue, plain color black, or white if you guys like that too. You guys can also add a slideshow here if you are trying to show off your product. So it will automatically slide through, which is also a really cool feature. So you guys can change all of the text colors here if you guys want to. And we can keep on going down. And you guys can even add a welcome text here. So you could put something like welcome to our shop. As you guys can see, there's so many other little things you guys can play around here. And you guys also have the ability to add pages. So if you guys like what I have for my website is I have a shipping page, and they even say like right here, like these are examples of what you could add. So if you want to add your shipping page about, your shipping policies, if you want to add your question and answer pages, this is where you would put it, is here. And if you need an example of pages like this, you guys can literally go to any e-commerce website and just see what they have, and you guys can use that as an example. Now that we have our website pretty much ready to go, we're going to go ahead and just click. In order to take it off maintenance mode, you do need to add an address. So you can put your home address for this section, and this is just for tax and shipping setting purposes. So now we're going to go ahead and add some products to our shop. So you guys are going to click on products. Then you're going to click on add a product. So here is the image that I added for my product. Now Big Cartel on the free plan only allows 1 photo per product, and you can only have up to 5 products for the free plan. Although I think that's all a beginner needs. And if you do need to put several photos here, what you guys can do is create a collage in that app that I mentioned called Fonto. You guys can just create a collage of 4 photos, and I've done that before, and that worked efficient for me. So here we're going to write our product name. So we're going to write Ice Boba Lip Gloss. And then in this description, we'll write what our ingredients are or whatever you want to specify in this description. Then we're going to click on categories, and you guys can manage these categories if you guys have like different products. So like if you guys carry lip gloss or if you guys carry lip oils, this would all go here. And then you can add that to whichever one you want. So we would just uncheck the lip oil and put this in the lip gloss section. So then on your website, they'll have 2 different categories to shop in. And then you can put your price here. So we're going to charge $8.99 for this lip gloss. If you scroll down, it allows you to add options. So if your lip gloss comes in 2 different flavors, you guys can put that here. So say if you're doing 2 different flavors, strawberry or apple, you'll put the strawberry or apple flavor here. So it allows your customer to have 2 different options when they're checking out, or if it's different colors of your products or whatever you're selling, it will go here. And you can even change the price. So if you need to change the price, you can do that as well. If it's like different sizes and things like that. This would also be like for clothing, small, medium, and large. And if you needed to charge extra for a small, you could change that here or whatever the case is. Then you do not want to forget this part. This is the shipping. And if you guys ever need help, they have these little information things here to help you guys with every single little piece of thing to fill out here. So we're going to ship this product to the United States. And I have shipping tutorials on my YouTube channel. If you guys want to learn about shipping, make sure you guys go check those videos out. So we're going to charge $5.50 alone for one thing if they order that one thing. I usually leave with others zeroed out. When I actually go to ship products, to ship this one single lip gloss, all this would cost is really $3.60, around that price to ship anywhere in the United States, but I always charge $5.50 to cover a few of the other expenses such as the payment processor fee. And then I go ahead and click save. And if you guys want to give discounts out to your customers, you guys can add a discount here. And this is where you can like give them free shipping, or you can give them like money off their order. If like they order up to $50, there's lots of different customizations you can do here, which is perfect. It's all friggin' included in the plan. So let's go back to products. So right now you've created your website and your website is right here. So even though you have this .big cartel after your business name, it still works just like any other link. And I used to use the bigcartel.com link and I still got sales. So don't think that people won't shop with you if you have this big cartel at the end. But I do have a tutorial on my YouTube channel about how to add a custom domain if you guys just want the .com at the end without the big cartel. And we're still in maintenance mode right now, so whenever you're ready to make your website live, you're going to just switch this off, and then your website is live to everybody else. But for right now, we're going to just see what it looks like for the now. So this is what our website looks right now. It looks really cute. Once all the products are added, it will look even better. And what's amazing about this is that this automatically transfers to a mobile site, and the mobile site looks very clean as well. So that's what's even awesome about Big Cartel is that when you're editing the desktop version, they automatically move everything to the mobile site. So you don't have to edit one desktop site and a separate mobile site like I've seen with other website hosts. And when you're choosing your theme, going back to the design part, when you're choosing your theme, if you ever want to check out how it's going to look on the mobile site, you guys can always just click on the tips and examples button underneath the theme that you're thinking about getting. And they show you what the mobile site looks like with the desktop site. So I really definitely love that addition. So after your site is set up, all of your analytics will be here. So whenever you get an order, you'll see them here. You'll see how much money you're making, which I love this graph. I love looking at this as soon as I log into my mobile app. And you're able to see all your analytics here on your dashboard. Then whenever you have an order, you'll see the orders in this section. Now going back to products, if you're a drop shipper, there's no import. You don't need another app to import dropshipping products for you. All you have to do is just add the product like we did for this one, copy and paste everything over from AliExpress or wherever you're dropshipping from, and that's how you're going to add your dropshipping products to your dropshipping store. If dropshippers want a tutorial about this, I can definitely do one separate from this tutorial. So now for one of the most important things is connecting the payment processor. So you're going to go down to get paid and click set up your payment options. So you can either have customers check out with credit cards through Stripe or with PayPal. They don't have to have a Stripe account to check out with their credit cards. This is just the payment processor and what it's called. And some people actually prefer to check out with PayPal, so I accept both. So it will walk you through each section. Since I already have an account for both, I can't really show you guys. But I promise it's super easy to set up each one of these. They walk you through it. And if you ever need help, you can basically just call each one of their helplines if you ever get stuck. Or you can comment down below and I can help you. I also go over the taxes and the legal part of it at the end of this video if you're interested in hearing that. And this website host also has an app, so every time you get an order, they will alert you on your app too, which is even better. A lot of people that encourage you to get Shopify and buy Facebook ads and do all this stuff, a lot of times they are just not really sure themselves how to instruct you. A lot of those people are just making money from teaching you and they haven't actually even had an online business like a lot of them say. So this is something to look out for. And this is why I teach you guys how to actually, start your website for free. I show you guys the best, most cost-effective way to do things and to keep a high profit margin. I only recommend Shopify or Wix for businesses that are already making over 6 figures. So this is a very controversial subject that a lot of people have been asking about in my comment section. This is not legal advice, but this is just what I personally did. When I first started with my online business, I wasn't sure if I was going to make money from it yet. I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep the business long term. So what I did was I signed up as a sole proprietorship for all of these ways that I make money online today. Until I knew that I wanted to keep the business long term and I was making consistent money to the point where I quit my job, that was when I got my LLC. You guys can still do write-offs as a sole proprietor. It's almost like you're your own contractor. The only reason why you'd want to get an LLC is to protect yourself. The purpose of an LLC is to protect yourself, so legally your business is set up as this business and not just you making money from it yourself. But either way, me personally, I just started as a sole proprietorship. When you form an LLC, you have responsibilities that you have to do every year and you have to pay to keep it up. I do not recommend getting an LLC until you already start making money with your business. So with the payment processors that I showed you guys in this tutorial, Stripe or PayPal, they will send you a form at the end of the year. It's called a 1099 form. So you will be responsible for paying taxes if you make up to a certain amount. This is not legal advice, guys. This is just what I did and I'm just trying to help you guys out. This video is for entertainment purposes only, of course. So with that 1099 form, you are able to do write-offs as a sole proprietor. This means that you're able to write off so many different things off your taxes. And I'll put everything up on the screen of common write-offs that you can write off from your business. I'm going to make a video very, very soon about everything you need to know about online business and taxes, but I hope this helped to guide you in some way. I see these comments all the time, and I hope I was able to address that with this. But again, I will make a video very soon about everything you need to know about business, taxes, legal stuff, everything. Even though I'm not a lawyer and this isn't advice or not meant to be legal advice, I do want to just share with you guys what I've personally done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and like this video so I can continue to make videos like this for you guys. If you haven't already, make sure you guys head over to my Instagram and follow me on Instagram as well for inspirational online business content. Wishing you guys all the best of luck with your online business ventures, and I'm here for you. If you have any questions or anything, comment down below. I try to respond to all of my YouTube comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone!
Hold me close till I